guys, are you struggling to make a name for yourself on Instagram? Then this is the right video for you. Just install the app in the description, open it and log into your Instagram account. After that, you can follow me. After you log into your account, you can see this window. You can see that green like button. Keep on clicking on it. The coin increases as you click on it. After that, go to follow. Click on the follow button, the green one. The coin will increase again. Then go to promotion. The promotion button in the right side. Yeah, and click on get followers. I will click on that first one because I have gotten only 80 coins. We can click on it again. Yeah. Then you can see that we have got ourselves some followers here. They are the real followers. So guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.